Welcome to Digital Hustle Hub, where I turn AI tools into income hacks. Let's go. Canva is great. But what if I told you there's a completely free AI tool that creates viral reels, quote graphics, and digital products in under 60 seconds? Most beginners waste hours designing content. Templates, overused, freelancers, expensive. Let me show you a zero-skill method to design in just a few clicks. First, head to Kittl.com and create a free account. Once you're in, select Instagram post or Pinterest template, whatever fits your vibe. Next, pick any design you like, swap out the text for your own, and boom, it's ready to go. Here's the kicker. You can use these designs for Etsy printables, social media posts, or even to deliver Fiverr orders. No graphic design skills required. Seriously. I've used this to speed up my workflow, and it's a total game changer. Now, if you want to automate your content with AI-powered prompts plus direct tool links, grab my Remote Hustle Starter Kit. It's waiting for you on Gumroad. The link's below. Don't forget, subscribe to Digital Hustle Hub for more faceless money-making hacks. Drop A in the comments if you want me to cover your favorite AI tool next.